If you want a luxury cordless stick vacuum cleaner without luxury price, you need to check this. This is our Coclean cordless stick vacuum S1. It's been sold for 150,000 units only within 3 months in North America. When it comes to suction power, we are the leader. 24,000 pound suction power can even reach an industrial level of suction. 7 pieces of 2,000 mAh battery. Now just 1 motor, 2 motors achieve spinning 110,000 rounds per minute. 2.8 pounds of lightweight makes it handy to use up and down your house. LED display shows the remaining battery and current running mode. And so many wonderful reviews from the end users. Coclean cordless stick vacuum cleaner is definitely the one you can't miss. And more outstanding products from Coclean.